Julie down here with the 2022 air show. I got 6 planes with the pyros going down the runway, flying around. It's pretty cool. Managed to find us a little spot over here. Pretty cool. Nice little show they're doing. Wow. Yeah, they definitely got a lot of really cool. Pretty cool. Really cool. I never knew they did pyro.
Oh yeah, this is
Look, going
invasion.
through the smoke, dude. Through the smoke, that was sweet.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
If people just knew to come to the backside of the air show.
Yeah. Well,
Look
don't tell
how low
everybody.
to the ground they're going next to the
Oh, I know,
tents.
yeah.
That's crazy stuff right there.
Dragonfly.
Man, could you imagine how the Japans felt when we were invading them? They didn't know what happened.
That's what kind of planes do you think these are?
Yeah, this was World War I. World War II.
Pretty cool. A lot of plane action. A lot of plane. Really cool. They're doing like a figure 8 over the runway. That one got real close. See, there's some more coming. They're probably done now. I'd say they're done. That's really cool. Woo! Yeah, they're all heading out. They're all done now. They got their mission accomplished. Left them in a bunch of smoke. See.
The Russians are coming. The Russians are coming.